Managing maintenance contracts doesn't need to be complicated. With Dynamics 365 Field Service, Akita helps organizations streamline every step from contract sale to job sign-off. Let's discover how this works. After a contract is signed, an agreement is created in Dynamics 365, defining what's covered, how often, and for how long. From there, a schedule of maintenance tasks is created and booking dates are automatically generated based on your service terms, keeping things predictable and efficient. Work orders are created and allocated to the right engineer, with the system optimizing based on availability, skills, and location. The engineer logs into the Dynamics 365 Field Service mobile app, where they see their assigned jobs for the day. They view the job details and check if any inventory is needed. They can also review previous service tickets and customer history, giving them full context before starting work. The job is then undertaken. Once complete, an inspection report is filled out, confirming work meets the requirement. The customer then signs off the job, closing the loop with full visibility and satisfaction. From first touch to final sign-off, Akita and Dynamics 365 Field Service deliver smarter, more seamless maintenance contract management every step of the way. Speak with Akita Intelligent Solutions today.